Starting a garden after 50 can be one of the most rewarding things you'll ever do, but it can also feel a little overwhelming at first. The good news is, most beginners make the same few mistakes. And once you know what they are, they're actually very easy to fix. So in this video, I'll walk you through the most common gardening mistakes and how to avoid them, step by step. Before we get started, here's what you'll learn in this video: how to avoid the most common beginner mistakes, how to grow healthier plants, and most importantly, how to keep gardening simple and enjoyable. Let's start with the first mistake. One of the most common mistakes is overwatering. It's easy to think more water means healthier plants, but too much water actually suffocates the roots. If your soil stays soggy, your plants may turn yellow or start to weaken. A simple tip is this: let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. This is another very common mistake, planting things too close together. When plants are crowded, they compete for sunlight, water, and nutrients. It also reduces airflow, which can lead to disease. It may feel like you're saving space, but giving plants room to grow actually leads to stronger, healthier plants. Healthy plants start with healthy soil. Many beginners skip this step, but it makes a huge difference. If your soil is hard, dry, or lacking nutrients, your plants will struggle to grow. Adding compost is one of the easiest ways to improve your garden. Good soil should feel soft, rich, and full of life. Now, if you've made any of these mistakes, don't worry, you're not alone. These are very common, and they're all easy to fix. Let's keep going, because the next ones are just as important. Timing is something many beginners overlook, but it's very important. Every plant has a season when it grows best. Planting too early or too late can lead to poor growth or no harvest at all. Cool season crops prefer cooler weather, while others need warmth to thrive. Learning your local planting times can make a big difference. This is a simple step that many people skip. Mulch helps keep moisture in the soil, reduces weeds, and protects your plants. Without it, your soil dries out faster, and you'll spend more time watering and pulling weeds. A small layer of mulch can save you a lot of effort. If you're starting gardening after 50, here's one of the best tips I can give you: start small. You don't need a big garden to be successful. Focus on a few plants, learn what works, and build from there. Gardening should feel relaxing, not overwhelming. So let's quickly recap. Don't overwater, give your plants space, improve your soil, plant at the right time, and don't forget mulch. If you follow these simple steps, you'll set yourself up for a healthy, thriving garden. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just start, learn as you go, and enjoy the process. Remember to start small and keep it simple. Thanks for watching. If this helped, we'd love to have you subscribe so we can keep gardening together.